4.0 technologies can be used to create customized products and services, enabling greater flexibility and responsiveness to customer needs. Improved safety. Industry 4.0 technologies such as robotics and automation can help to improve safety in industrial processes and reduce the risk of workplace injuries. Job displacement. The automation of industrial processes can lead to job displacement, as machines and robots take over tasks that were previously performed by humans. Conclusion. In conclusion, Industry 4.0 is driving significant changes in the industrial sector through the integration of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. The future of Industry 4.0 is promising, with continued advancements in autonomous systems, augmented reality, digital twins, and blockchain technology. The impact of Industry 4.0 on the industrial sector is significant, with the potential to transform the way industries operate. As the industry continues to evolve, the development and adoption of new technologies will remain a critical area of focus, driving innovation and progress in the sector. The future of Industry 4.0 is bright, and industries that embrace these new technologies will be better positioned to succeed in an increasingly complex and dynamic business environment. Challenges and opportunities of Industry 4.0. While Industry 4.0 presents many opportunities for the industrial sector, there are also several challenges that must be addressed. Some of the key challenges include workforce skills. The adoption of advanced technologies requires a skilled workforce, and there is a growing skills gap in many industries. Cybersecurity. As the use of technology increases, so does the risk of cyber threats and attacks, making cybersecurity a critical concern. Integration challenges. Integrating new technologies into existing systems can be complex and requires careful planning and coordination. Privacy concerns. The use of data in Industry 4.0 presents privacy concerns, and there is a need for clear policies and regulations to protect data rights. Despite these challenges, Industry 4.0 also presents many opportunities for the industrial sector. Some of the key opportunities include increased efficiency and productivity. Industry 4.0 technologies can help to streamline and automate manufacturing and industrial processes, enabling greater efficiency and productivity. Enhanced customer engagement. Industry 4.0 technologies can be used to create customized products and services, enabling greater responsiveness to customer needs. Improved safety. Industry 4.0 technologies such as robotics and automation can help to improve safety in industrial processes and reduce the risk of workplace injuries. New business models. Industry 4.0 technologies are enabling the development of new business models, such as product as a service, which can provide new revenue streams for industrial companies. Government policies and Industry 4.0. Government policies can play a significant role in shaping the development and adoption of Industry 4.0 technologies. Some of the key policies that can support the growth of Industry 4.0 include research and development funding. Funding for research and development can help to drive innovation and progress in the industrial sector. Regulatory frameworks. Regulatory frameworks can help to ensure the responsible use of new technologies and protect privacy and data rights. Skills development initiatives. Skills development initiatives can help to address the skills gap and ensure that the workforce is equipped to adopt and benefit from Industry 4.0 technologies. Incentives for adoption, such as tax credits or subsidies, can encourage companies to invest in and adopt Industry 4.0 technologies.